How long does the ink in a wall printer actually last? In this video, you'll find out exactly how much you can print using the starter kit that comes with your wall printer. And if you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Rafa from Wall Printers, and this is our FAQ series where we answer the questions you ask us most often about wall printing. The good news is that when you purchase a wall printer from us, you receive a complete starter ink kit at no additional cost.
Here comes the money.
This kit includes 5 bottles of ink, 1 bottle for each color in the CMYK, plus white system. Each bottle contains 1 full liter of ink. This is really a substantial amount of consumable material that you get right from the start without any extra costs. This starter kit should last you through your first few months of printing projects, though the exact time frame depends on how frequently you work and the size of graphics you'll be printing. Let's dive into the specifics. Average ink consumption with full surface coverage is approximately 30 milliliters per square meter without white underprint, or 60 milliliters per square meter with white underprint. What does this mean in practice? You'll use wall printing without white underprint when the background you're printing on is light and doesn't need any additional base layer for colors to appear vibrant and vivid. For dark walls or surfaces, you'll use white underprint, which serves as a base for your final graphic. When using white underprint, you need to account for ink consumption being twice as high, since you're essentially printing 2 layers instead of 1.
Well, duh.
Taking into account the average ink consumption, the starter kit allows you to print approximately 150 square meters. To put this into perspective, the average project is about 3 to 5 square meters. Here on screen, you can see examples of typical projects that are exactly this size. With your starter kit, you can serve anywhere from 30 to even 50 clients before you need to purchase more ink. That's really a substantial number of projects you can complete without any additional material costs, giving you plenty of opportunity to establish your business and start generating revenue. What's important to remember is that you don't need to buy all the inks at once. Different colors consume at different rates, so you only purchase the ones that are running low. This helps you manage your operating costs more efficiently. So as you can tell, our starter kit really does give you a solid foundation to launch your wall printing business. The ink lasts for months, but that's just one part of what we provide. There's actually a whole lot more included to help you get started and succeed. If you want to see what else we include in the complete package, fill out the form on our website and we'll send you all the details. Don't forget to subscribe for more wall printing business insights and check out more videos from our FAQ series in the playlist. See you next time!